I'm Steve Huntley with Boulder Amplifiers, and I'm very pleased to introduce our new reference phono preamp, the 2108. 2108 is a phono preamp for a person who's very serious about vinyl playback, wants the best phono preamp that money can buy, and we've accomplished that with the 2108. It's got 3 phono inputs that are fully balanced. It's a dual mono design. Those 3 inputs can be used if you have 3 different tone arms on a turntable, 3 different turntables. Those inputs can be individually selected to be moving magnet, moving coil, high gain, and there's tremendous flexibility with this unit. You have all the different types of filters that are built right into this, from RIAA all through the other ones that were used in the 1950s on early albums. You have a low cut filter to eliminate rumble and any kind of low frequency noise in a system. A couple different options of frequencies for that. And you have automatic muting built into it as well. On the back of the unit, you would be able to see all kinds of additional connectivity. Spin this around for you. You have options for an external moving or external demagnetizing circuit. The 3 inputs for each channel are here. These are the personality cards that are used to adjust the cartridge loading, and those can be configured at the factory. The power supply has different sections for left analog, right analog, and control, and we build our own umbilicals. The chassis work is all done at our facility in Louisville, Colorado. We have a machine shop in-house. We do all the circuit board work in-house as well. The surface mount machines, all that kind of work is done in-house, so we have control over the design. The 2008 is, I guess, a very famous phono preamp. It set a new standard for what is possible in vinyl playback, and it was quite a big challenge to try to improve upon the 2008. At the time, a US magazine, Stereophile, gave it an A+ rating, which hadn't been achieved by any other product at that point. They basically created a product category for that preamp, and this is the evolution of that design. Yeah, actually this product has had more requests by customers, dealers and distributors than any other Boulder product. We had a tremendous amount of people who have seen other companies coming out with phono preamps since the 2008 and wanted to see if we could do something to take it up a notch and claim the top dog again. And so that's what we did, is took the challenge on to see if we could improve upon the 2008, and we did. So in this, we've really looked at the whole design from top to bottom. Starting with the power supply, we've improved all aspects of the power supply. We're using very high voltage rails, a very tightly regulated power supply, a lot of energy storage, different transformers for each section. And then the discrete 995S modules that we're using right now are a handmade module that is in an enclosure that we mill in our facility, and they're custom trimmed and calibrated, and they result in extremely low noise. So with this preamp, we're able to achieve 10 decibels additional gain, but at the same noise level as the 2008. So it's every aspect. It's ground planes, it's surface mount technology, it's everything we could come up with that gave it a lower noise floor and lower distortion. 100 things make it better. Well, thank you for having me here, and I always enjoy my visits to Thailand and to Deco. Their support has been great for the Boulder products. For the dealers and the customers in Thailand, thank you for your support as well. And do yourself a favor, give your favorite album a listen on the 2108.